Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your speaker JBL Clip 5 from the application. So, right here in the application we have only factory reset to remove the speaker from the phone, but if you don't need to make a factory reset on your speaker, you can just turn off your speaker, or you can go to settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now click this settings icon or information icon if you have iOS, and you can disconnect or unpair your headphones. So if you wanna leave this connection, you just click on disconnect, and if you don't need this speaker on your phone, this speaker connected to your phone, just click on forget this device. And now if we're returning to the application, now I should turn on it again because it has some bug. And as you can see, right now we have no speakers here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.